Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. Today I'm going to show you how to cook fish soup. The weather is really cold outside here, and this is one of my favorite recipes for this weather. So I'm going to show you how to cook fish soup, and today I'm going to combine it with some rice and some vegetables. You can call that a balanced diet, okay? So, and make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the best rice to use. There are many kinds of rice out there, but I'm going to show you the best rice you're going to use for healthy eating. I'm going to put it that way. Okay, stick around to the end of this video and let's get to the kitchen and get started. And make sure you don't look at the people behind the camera, okay? All right, see you soon. Here is my tilapia and mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice, okay? Some broccoli. I told you it was gonna be a balanced diet. 2 Scotch bonnets and 3 knorr cubes, because I love my food spicy. If you don't like your food spicy, you can use 1, okay? This is my fresh scent leaf. If you do not have scent leaf, you can use fresh basil, you can use fresh bay leaf, all for the flavor, okay? Yes, some carrots and onions, okay? Let's go to the next ingredient. Rice. Everybody likes rice. Who doesn't eat rice? Everybody. So if you're gonna be eating rice almost every day, like we all do, you better eat a healthy one. So here I have my brown rice. This is the healthiest option, guys. So this is my 2 cups of rice. I'm going to cook this. So just going to go ahead and put some water in my bowl and wash it. Now, sometimes when you cook your rice, you observe that your rice is soggy. So to avoid a soggy rice, whether it's jollof or you're just boiling it, you have to wash out the starch completely. Now this takes time, so that's why you have to take your time and do the right thing so that your rice doesn't end up soggy, okay? So just take your time and wash it. Make sure that the white starch is out. Make sure you wash it till the water is completely white, like it's not dusty, kind of dusty. The rice water is not dusty. Make sure you wash it repeatedly. You see, it's dusty. You see, so I'm pouring this water out now. I'm going to put another water, and then I'm going to wash it and continue this process like this till the water is completely white. That means taking away almost all the starch. So this will give you a better result when you're done cooking it. Not soggy, just okay? All right. So after washing my rice for a couple of times, this is how the water is. This is what I was talking about. You want your rice water to be very clear like this. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer my rice into my pot, add like 3 cups of water, and then cover my pot with aluminum foil to retain the heat so that you don't end up adding water like every now and then, to make sure the rice is soft. And then cover my pot cover and then put it on fire. So I'm washing my fish now with cold water first to bring out the blood. Just wash it properly. Wash it like 3 to 4 times to make sure that you take out the blood. I'm adding my hot water now to the fish. Remove your fish and place it carefully in your pan. I usually use pan because my pan is spacious. I don't want to put it in a congested pot or pot that doesn't have space to season it, because I would like to flip it over after cooking for some minutes. Now, if you put it in a congested pot and then you want to flip it over, you may end up breaking your fish, which I do not like. Okay, that's why I'm cooking mine in my spacious pan.